In today's fast-moving digital landscape, cloud adoption is a strategic imperative. But knowing where to start, what to prioritize, and how to align with your business goals can be challenging. That's where Ahead's Cloud Rapid Assess comes in. This fast, focused, and actionable 6-week engagement helps organizations evaluate their cloud readiness and build a strategic migration roadmap. Ahead leverages industry-standard tooling such as Google Cloud Migration Center and other third-party tools to collect performance, inventory, and dependency data. Our experienced technical consultants analyze the assessment data in context, align findings with your business objectives, and guide you through meaningful recommendations tailored to your environment. For organizations that are early in their cloud journey or have no existing cloud governance, we introduce industry best practices and walk through Ahead's enterprise cloud operating model to help establish a strong foundation. Through 6 targeted workshops, we explore your current operating environment, infrastructure standards, FinOps practices, and application dependencies. You'll receive a cloud readiness report, workload analysis, preliminary migration timeline, a TCO business case, and a proposal for next steps, including partner funding options. Ahead is a Google Cloud partner with services and sell authorizations, which allows us to access funding programs like deal and partner acceleration funds. These initiatives can support discovery, planning, and migration phases, especially for organizations new to Google Cloud. During the Rapid Assess engagement, our team works with Google to assess your eligibility and incorporate funding into your migration proposal, helping you accelerate adoption while minimizing initial investment. Overall, this engagement delivers a clear understanding of your current state, identifies gaps, and provides directional recommendations to accelerate cloud adoption. Whether you're just beginning your cloud journey or refining your strategy, Ahead's Cloud Rapid Assess gives you the clarity and confidence to move forward.